Are we ready to do this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's time?
Yeah.
Welcome to Whistler. Kelsey, Kyle, here we are at your wedding. How does that feel?
Amazing.
Waiting.
Doesn't matter when, it's always a good time then. Doesn't matter where, it's always a good time there. We don't even have to try, it's always a good time.
I would like to take a minute to recognize where we are right now. To recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, the glacier we're standing on, the mountains, this incredible view. Do you both enter into this relationship freely of your own accord and without any legal impediment to marriage?
We do.
Perfect.
Whoa, Kelsey. You are my safe space, my partner, my Kelsey. I never thought I'd meet a girl like you. You are now more than a woman to me. Someone I could spend my life in this sweet surrender.
Kyle, I don't need a house to feel at home. You are my home, and you will be my rock. And together, we are a team that makes the dream work.
Kyle, do you take Kelsey to be your wife, offering her your love and encouragement, your trust and respect as you create your future together?
I do.
Kelsey, do you take Kyle to be your husband, offering him your love and encouragement, your trust and respect as you create your future together?
I do. With this ring,
We forge a new path.
on our adventure together,
I will always love you.
I will always love you.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as partners in life.
Hell yeah!
You may seal your vows with a kiss.
We've known each other for so long, and you know the rest of the lyrics to this song. Now it's gonna get harder, and it's gonna burn brighter, but I promise you that through thick and thin, because all of me loves all of you, and I will honor you all the days of my life.
Whatever the future holds, I promise we can achieve it together. You are my home. You are my rock. I love you, Kyle.